Hey guys, welcome back to Thomas' Innovative Mind. And today is our first What's Inside video. So today we're taking a look at our Thomas' Innovative Mind keychain. You're thinking, why are you taking apart this keychain? Well, because we're actually getting new keychain that is coming May 1st, and those are those keychains right there. Right now it's printed off on the sheet of paper, but those are the keychains right there. So that's the reason why we're going to take apart Thomas' Innovative Mind keychain right here. So let's go ahead and take it apart. Now to take this thing apart, there's 6 screws, one right here, 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 one right here that we have to undo. Getting my right bit here. And like I'm going to say right now, once I take this thing apart, it'll never work again. So that's why I'm glad that I'm getting new keychains. And once again, these keychains are for fans. So if you meet up with me, let's say at a grocery store or anything like that, you'll get one of these keychains. But like I said, the new keychains that I showed you the picture of, it's launching May 1st. So I can't wait for that to happen. Okay, so this thing is took apart. Still works. So let's go ahead and take this thing apart. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow. That is neat. There's not even a circuit board in here, which is crazy. And I see how this thing works now. See? There's the LED right there. Gonna take that out. Here's the LED right here. That's nice. That's the button. And it's crazy that they just use a piece of metal like this for the button, and another piece of metal to link the 2 batteries together. And this thing actually took 3 batteries. Wow. So I'm gonna dump the batteries out. Here's the keychain part of it. And the battery seems to be giving me trouble, so I'm going to switch over to my little screwdriver and just pop them out. There's 1 battery. And they actually use a little piece of plastic but on it, which is crazy. There's the other battery right here. And the 3rd battery. That's good. 2 more pieces to this. Sorry if my hands are in the way right now. I do apologize about that. And 1 more piece of metal right here. Come on. There we go. And now that whole thing is gutted out. So now, slide all that aside. We have some pretty interesting parts in here. We have the actual button itself, the LED, 3 different types of batteries, and they're all button cell. And the batteries that this thing actually took was a LR1130, so 1130. LR 1130s. So there was 3 of them. There was like 4 different pieces of metal, which is crazy. The keychain itself, right here. 6 screws. The front of the keychain. The back of the keychain. And a little piece of plastic, which I'm not sure why they did that. And that's all that's inside the Thomas Innovative Mind keychain. Alrighty then, so I'll let you guys go, and please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, my link to my social medias will be in the description below. Thank you.